Pitch number 7. Oliver George and Teancum Kahaki, precast concrete pools. My goodness me, let's do some manus. Kei kōrua te wā.
For generations, the Kiwi dream was a quarter-acre section, plenty of room to play with your kids, kick the ball around, have your mates over for a barbie, and maybe even build that dream pool. Today, sadly, that dream is disappearing. In Auckland, today, the average new section is less than 500 square metres. In other words, that's half of the Kiwi dream. Installing a traditional concrete pool can turn an already cramped backyard into a muddy construction site for months on end. The desire for summer fun hasn't changed, but the appetite for the cost, mess and chaos certainly has. Our solution, the 3 Ds. Dig, drop and dive. So Plunge Lab pools arrive on site, finished, can be craned into site, plumbed up and swimmable within 8 to 12 days. Compare that to 8+ weeks for traditional in situ concrete construction. No weather delays, no tradies camped out on your lawn for months on end. And if you want to get rid of the kids, kick them outside. Plunge Lab can take care of them.
We currently offer 2 pool designs, the Mako and the Power. With our models engineered and suitable for above ground installations as well. Often our pools get mistaken for a spa pool, but our pools are far from that. With both our models holding approximately 12,000 litres, that's 12 times that of your standard spa pool. Each pool is crafted using reinforced fibre cement with a variety of internal finishes, and our pools are essentially 90% completed off-site in a controlled environment, making our pools perfect for your project with tight deadlines. Over the past 5 years, Auckland has installed on average 1,200 pools annually, valuing our target market at $42 million. Our pricing is comparative to that of our competitors, but being Tamaki based, we feel we hold a competitive edge by eliminating the $8,000 to $12,000 freight charge and labour charge that our competitors in the Hawke's Bay and Waikato have to pass on. With our current manufacturing partner, we can produce 50 pools annually, that's almost 1 a week. At our current capacity, this is an annual revenue of $1.75 million at a 50% margin. With the nationwide pool industry valued at $195 million, we see our precast pools as a highly achievable solution to meet the growing demand.
Our immediate focus is capturing the Auckland market, who make up about 40% of the total pool installations across Aotearoa. By managing every install ourselves, we're refining our process, maintaining quality, and building a solid foundation for scale. Next, we package our pools into kit sets, with a step-by-step installation guide, so homeowners and customers can install the pool themselves, saving them thousands in installation costs, while also expanding our reach across Aotearoa. To further facilitate our national expansion, we'll license our pool moulds to regional precast manufacturers and sell through a national dealer network. By 2030, our lean, mean plunge pool machine will be making a splash in Australia's $1 billion plus plunge pool market. Demand is already knocking on the door. We have 100 leads in our CRM already, and we're getting roughly 5 to 10 leads through our fresh leads through our website each month. Our Auckland supply chain is locked in, outsourced and ready to scale. Our first Mako pool is due off the production line next month with our first customer already lined up. The missing piece is funding for our first power mould. This will unlock double the capacity and contribute towards the purchase of our first Mako mould. So we're seeking to raise roughly 200k, 150k for our power mould landed here in Tamaki Makaurau out in Kumiu. The residual 50k will help us to tie up our legal contracts, enable a laser-focused sales funnel, and contribute towards our first 5 pool installations. But beyond capital, we're looking for partners who bring deep construction expertise and a strong commitment to sustainability to help propel our growth.
The team. My co-founder, Oliver George, a chartered accountant by trade, but an entrepreneur at heart. He leads our finance and operations with sharp strategic thinking, smart logistics, and systems that actually work.
I didn't write that. This specimen, our main man, looks Teancum Kahaki. He's the man on the ground, qualified builder with over 10 years experience across different construction projects. He'll take care of our production and then also our project management. With considerable experience working with a leading concrete pool construction company, Mooks has witnessed firsthand the challenges that we at Plunge Lab are trying to solve.
Now, we're not just building pools. We're building better outdoor spaces. We've laid the groundwork. Now we're inviting the right investors to help us stretch our reach across Aotearoa and the world. Let's bring something fresh to the surface together. Mauri ora.
Tēnā kōrua. You mentioned a little bit about construction, so ko taku pātai. How will you weather the economic storm in the construction sector?
Yeah, I'll take that.
Yeah,
Go Oliver.
question.
Yeah, so we try to operate a pretty lean business model, outsourcing a lot of our heavy lifting from manufacturing to installation. So we try to keep our fixed overheads pretty low, and that can help us be quite flexible in these tough economic times, but also to facilitate growth and sustain growth. Because of our margins, we can reinvest a lot putia back into our business, into innovation, into market outreach. So, yeah.
Ka pai. Thanks, Oliver. Tēnā kōrua. All the best.